Chapter 1, 4-digit numbers. Introduction to 4-digit numbers. We know that the largest 3-digit number is 999, that is 999. But what happens if we add 1 to it? 900 plus 90 plus 9 plus 1. It becomes 1000. That is 999 plus 1 is equals to 1000. Forming 4-digit numbers. Let us learn how to form 4-digit numbers. Look at the following examples. 2 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 7 tenths plus 9 ones. So this can be written as 2479. 9 at ones place, 7 at tens place, 4 at hundred place, 2 at thousand place. Number name for 2479 is 2479. Now look at one more example. How many thousands are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 thousands. How many hundreds are there? 100. How many tens are there? 1. How many ones are there? 6. So the number formed is 3116. This can be written as 3116. 6 at ones place, 1 at tens place, 1 at hundredth place and 3 at thousandth place. Number name for 3116 is 3116. Numbers on the abacus. We can represent the numbers on an abacus. To represent 4-digit numbers, we use 4 rods on the abacus. Each rod represents a different value. From the right, first rod represents ones place. Second rod represents tens place. Third rod represents hundredth place. And the last rod represents thousandth place. Let's see one example. Represent the number 6542 on the abacus. Now let's draw the abacus. There are 4 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first of all we'll write their place values. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now we have to write the number 6542. Put 2 beads in the ones column, 4 beads in the tens column, 5 beads in the hundreds column, 6 beads in the thousands column. This abacus represents the number 6542. Place value and face value. The place value of each digit in number depends upon its place, that is, position in the number. The face value of each digit in a number is the number itself. Now let's do one example. Find the place value and the face value of each digit in the number 6574. So first of all we'll put them in place values: ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 4 at ones place, 7 at tens place, 5 at hundredth place and 6 at thousandth place. 4 is at ones place, so its place value is 4 multiply 1, that gives 4. So the face value is 4. Now 7 is at tens place. We can also write it as 7 multiplied 10 gives 70. So the face value is 7. Now 5 is at hundredth place. 5 multiply 100 gives 500. Face value of 5 is 5. Now, thousandth place. 6 is at thousandth place. 6 multiply 1000 gives 6000. Face value is 6. Example 2. Find the place value of 5 in 2853. 3 at 1's place, 5 at 10's place, 8 at 100th place and 2 at 1000th place. So 5 is at 10th place. So its place value is 50. Expanded form. When we write a number in terms of sum of the place values of its digits, it is called the expanded form of that number. For example, 2617 is made up of 2000s, 600, 110 and 7 ones. Thus, the expanded form of 2617 is 2000, 600s, 110s plus 7 ones. Or it can be written as 2000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 7. If we reverse this process, we can get the standard form, that is short form of the numbers. Thus, the short form of 2000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 7 is 2617. Solved examples. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Expanded form of 3752, that is equals to 3000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 2. Expanded form of 6083 is equals to 6000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 3. Example 2. Write the following numbers in standard form. 8000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 6. Standard form of 8000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 6 is equals to 8756. Comparison of numbers. We compare numbers to know which number is greater and which is smaller. To compare numbers with different numbers of digits. A number containing more digits is always greater. To compare numbers with same number of digits. Step 1. Start comparing the first digit from the left in each number. The number having greater digit is greater. If both the digits are same, then move to the second digit from the left and so on. For example, compare the numbers 996 and 1039, that is 1039. 996 is a 3-digit number while 1039 is a 4-digit number. So tell me which one will be greater? Yes, of course, 4-digit number will be greater. So 1039, that is 1039, is greater than 996. Now let's compare the other number, that is 4056 and 4213. So now both are 4-digit numbers. So arrange them as per place value chart. Now first of all, let's arrange them. 4056, 4213. We'll start comparing with the thousands value. So we are having here in the both numbers 4 is common, 4 are same. So we'll move to the next digit. Here we are having 0 and here we are having 2. So which one is greater? Yes, 2 is greater. It means 4213 is greater than 4056. For example, compare 3250 and 3290. Both are 4-digit numbers. So arrange them as per place value chart. 3250 and 3290. Let's compare the thousands value. 3 and 3 both are equal. Now let's compare the hundredth value. 2 and 2, both sides 2 at 100 place, they are equal. Now let's compare the tens value. 5 and 9. So 9 is greater than 5. Thus 3250 is smaller than 3290. Ascending and descending orders. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest, the numbers are in ascending order. When we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest, the numbers are in descending order. Let us arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending orders. The number given here is 3625, 5679, 3735. Now let's see which one is the smallest one. Here we are having two 3000s number. So let us compare them first. 3625 and 3735. Let's put them in place values like on ones, tens, hundred and thousands. Let's start comparing from the biggest place value, that is thousands. What is at the thousands? 3 and 3. But they both are equal to each other and they cannot be compared. So we will switch to the other digit. We'll move to the hundredth one. 6 at 100 and 7 is at 100. Now tell me which one is bigger, 6 or 7? Great! 7 is bigger. So 3625, that is 3625, is the smallest number. And then 3735 is bigger than previous one. And 5679 is greater than the previous one. Now let's put them into descending order. Now tell me which one is bigger? Yes, 5679 is greater. Now which one is smaller than this number? 3735 is smaller. Now which one is smaller than this? Yes, 3625. So this is the descending order from greatest to smallest. Formation of the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. To form the greatest number, we arrange the given digits in descending order. To form the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. Now let's see one example. Form the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 2175. So first of all, we'll arrange the digits in ascending order. That is from smallest to greatest one. So tell me which one is smallest? Yes, 1. Now what will come after 1 is? Yes, 2. Then what will come after 2 is? Yes, 5. And then is 7. So 1, 2, 5, 7 is the ascending order. Thus the smallest 4-digit number using the digits is 1, 2, 5 and 7. Example 2. Form the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 3, 0, 1, 5. Arranging the digits in ascending order, we get 0 is smaller than 1, 1 is smaller than 3 and 3 is smaller than 5. The smallest 4-digit number will be 0, 1, 3, 5. But it is not a 4-digit number. Now interchange the position of two leftmost digits. Thus, the smallest 4-digit number using the digits is 1035. Example 3. Form the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 5427. Arranging the digits in descending order, we get 7 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than 4, 4 is greater than 2. Thus, the greatest 4-digit number using the digits is 7542. Successor and predecessor. The number that comes just after a particular number is called its successor. Thus, a successor of a number is always one more than the number. For example, successor of 1356, that is 1356 plus 1 gives 1357. We add 1 to the number to get its successor. The number that comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. Thus, a predecessor of a number is always one less than the number. For example, the predecessor of 1234, that is equals to 1234 minus 1. The answer is 1233. Skip counting. When we count or write numbers after skipping a fixed gap between two successive numbers, it is called skip counting. For example, skip counting in twos. Now the number we are having is 1123. Now we'll add 2. Now it will become 1125. Again add 2, 1127. Again add 2, 1129. Again add 2, 1131. Again add 2, 1133. Skip counting in tens. The number here is 2445. Let's add 10 to it. The number will be 2455. Again add 10 to this number and the number will be 2465. Now again add 10 to this number. The number will be 2475. Again add 10 to this number. The number will be 2485. Again let's add 10 to the number. The number will be 2495. Skip counting in hundreds. The number given here is 5632. Let's add 100 to this number and the number will be 5732. Again add 100 to this number. The number will be 5832. Again add 100 to this number. The number will be 5932. Again add 100 to this number. The number will be 6032. Now again add 100 to this number. The number will be 6132. Skip counting in 1000s. The number here is 1636. Let's add 1000 to this number. Number will be 2636. Let's add 1000 again to this number. The number will be 3636. Again let's add 1000 to this number. The number will be 4636. Let's add 1000 to this number. The number will be 5636. And again add 1000 to this number. The number will be 6636. Rounding off numbers. We round off numbers to make calculations easier and faster. Rounding off the numbers gives a resulting number that is less accurate but easier to use. Now, we will learn rounding off numbers to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. To the nearest 10, if the digit at one's place is less than 5, round off the number to the same tens. If the digit at one's place is equal to or greater than 5, round off the number to the next tens. For example, round off 14 to nearest 10. Now, tell me 14 is near to 10 or 20? It is near to 10. 14 is nearer to 10 than 20. Thus, it is rounded off to 10. Round off 37 to the nearest 10. Now, tell me which one is near, 30 or 40? Yes, 40 is nearer. So, 37 is nearer to 40 than 30. Thus, it is rounded off to 40. To the nearest 100. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, round off the number to the same hundreds. If the digit at tens place is greater than or equal to 5, round off the number to the next hundreds. For example, round off 134 to the nearest 100. Now look at this. Which one is near 100 or 200? Yes, 134 is nearer to 100 than 200. Thus, it is rounded off to 100. Now, round off 267 to the nearest 100. Now, see the number line. Which one is near and which one is far? 200 is far and 300 is near the number. So, 267 is nearer to 300 than 200. Thus, it is rounded off to 300. Roman numbers. We have used the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to write any number. This is known as Hindu-Arabic number system. There is another system of numbers in which letters of English alphabets are used to write numbers. This system is called Roman system of numeration, Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. We can use combination of these 7 letters to make different numbers, but certain rules are to be followed. Rule 1. I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. The number also formed is their sum. For example, I plus I gives 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 3. X gives 10 plus 10, 20. Rule number 2. V, L and D. That means 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated. For example, we cannot write 10 as VV. We write 10 as X. When we write a smaller Roman numeral after a greater Roman numeral, their values are added. For example, VI means 5 plus 1, that is 6. XI, that gives 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Now XII, that means 10 plus 1 plus 1, that gives 12. XV, that is equals to 10 plus 5, that gives 15. Rule 4. When we write a smaller Roman numeral before a greater Roman numeral, their values are subtracted. For example, IV, that is equals to 5 minus 1, 4. IX, that is 10 minus 1 gives 9. Rule 5. A smaller numeral between 2 greater numerals gets subtracted from numeral on its right. For example, XIV, 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is 14. XIX, that is 10 plus 10 minus 1, that is 19. Some Roman numbers with their corresponding Hindu-Arabic numbers are given below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.